Hello everyone, and welcome back. I just got up here to the farmhouse. It's Thursday night. I spent the week down at the hobby farmhouse down by the cities for work. It's about 80 degrees right now, no wind. It just feels really nice. We don't get too many days like this up here. I have a few things I need to get done tonight. I'm going to hook the trailer up to my truck because tomorrow morning I'm heading to the tent, and tomorrow after work Melissa will head up to the tent. So that tent video will be here on, well, you guys maybe will have already seen it because this video is before and after the tent. Anyway, the tent videos is going to be on this channel. But if you guys remember, we couldn't mow the grass last week because the mower broke. But when I got here tonight, there was a box of parts sitting on the back deck, and they're all my lawnmower parts. So I kind of want to get started on this tonight and get it at least partially put back together so I don't have less to do Sunday. We usually get home right around lunchtime on Sunday, and that'll give me time to mow in the afternoon. Me or Melissa or whatever, but so happy. I got two of these, the whole spindle setup, and then I got one of these setups with the bearings and everything. They really aren't really clear when they say what they're sending, if the whole thing is coming together or not. So I made sure that I got a lot of parts, so when this happens again, I don't have to wait for parts. Here's that other spindle assembly. Here's the shaft assembly. I got two of those. I do have another one of the spindle assemblies coming. Because when I ordered from here, they said all of the parts, I paid quite a bit for shipping, could be here like by today, I guess. And but the spindle assemblies were going to be about 10 days. Well, they must have been wrong because they sent them out, and the spindle assembly is what I mainly needed. So I have another one coming. So, and that one is supposed to be here tomorrow. Those blades do not look bad at all. I'm still going to switch them out, but I'm going to keep these. And I don't have my grinder up here yet. I have one at the workshop down at the hobby farmhouse, and we use it all the time. And I was just waiting till eventually to bring it up here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and buy one. What are they, $100? And get one up here so that I can, there's lots of times I could use a grinder, so. I noticed with this one, almost an 1/8 inch of play there, and that should not be that way at all. I mean, that one has a 32nd. So I'm guessing, since I've got this apart, might as well replace that one too, or at least the insides of it. Well, I have the 2 new spindles put on, 3 new blades, the new idler pulley, and that is the configuration of the belt. So I think it's ready to be pushed back underneath the mower. I think it mowed pretty even. Melissa will definitely let me know when she does this front, probably on Sunday. Okay everyone, well it's time to call it a night. Tomorrow morning I'm heading to the tent, and I will see you guys when I get back. It's only 10:45 in the morning and it's already 79 degrees. It's going to be a warm day. I think I'm just going to pull in. I'm definitely going to order the different receiver hitch and get it dropped down, because that's just stupid. I'll get it so it's leveled out, but for now at least I can get this thing off the trailer and moved around. Well, I got the trailer moved to here for now. Melissa's mowing the grass. I think I'm going to jump on the tractor and mow the side pasture. Zach and Sam, and we got some people coming over later this week and next weekend, so we want to get everything mowed. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I was going to film more of mowing the pastures and stuff, and it was like I just got done filming a tent weekend. I just let me mow and get some stuff done, because we're kind of running out of time. We teamed up and I took the tractor and Melissa took the rider, and we got pretty much everything mowed. I got this side of this field done. And it's all finished over here also. Melissa mowed for probably 2.5 hours and got all the yard done. and everything is ready for the upcoming work week. I did order the new hitch for the four-wheeler, and that should be here by this coming, I think they said Friday. Once I get that installed, then I can just put in a regular 2-inch receiver hitch with the right amount of drop on it, so I can pull this trailer behind the four-wheeler. This thing should be perfect. We had deer that came and visited the strawberry plants and ate some of them, or ate some of the leaves. So, and we have netting over them right now, but that's just not going to work for us. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up fencing this whole area here, just like I did the garden. Seems like I'm always finishing one project and another one comes up that is in dire need of being done. According to my phone, we're supposed to get up to an inch of rain overnight tonight, which would be really nice because the yard is getting brown in a lot of places. I'll see you guys on the next video.